Maybe the Canadians will hate us, maybe they won't. I don't know. We'll probably get some fire for this video. So Canadians, comment below.
We still love you.
Yeah. Welcome back, y'all. When we were making our video the other day about why we make poutine, I realized there was a bigger question that we haven't answered. What the is poutine? Recently, I traveled to this exotic northern land of Canada. It's up north. Poutine is a classic Canadian bar food. It consists of French fries, cheese curds, and brown gravy. That's it. Simple. Simple dish. Right. French fries. We decided to go with a thick cut. That is more traditional, as best I know. We use cheese curds from Wisconsin because apparently Wisconsin does it best. That's what we're told. We like them. They're great. Here at Poutine on the Ritz, we don't do the gravy maybe quite like is traditional. We use a vegan, gluten-free gravy. It's a product that we purchased. Truth be told, it's better than what we could make. Like, we know how to cook.
In a blind taste test, it beat our gravy.
It's so good. And it's affordable, and it's vegan and gluten-free, and we can use it on the meat products, and you won't miss the meat at all. It's amazing. That being said, we make a pork gravy too, but that's for a different time. It's Canada. Canada, not Canadian.
Canada.
Anyways, let's get to cooking. I'll show you some stuff.
So they're able to literally
That, ladies and gentlemen,
is poutine.
a la Fat Boy.